ऐसे बहुत कम मौके होते हैं हमारे पास जब हमें अपने नेटवर्क के एमडी से ऑफिस के अलावा, जर्नलिज्म के अलावा कुछ सवाल पूछने का मौका मिलता है। और फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया वो मौका है, वो अवसर है हमारे लिए, तो वो मौका हम छोड़ना नहीं चाहते। तो सर, मैं डायरेक्टली आपके पास आऊँगी एक बार फिर से, और मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी कि आपने लेजेंड्स के इंटरव्यू किए हैं, और जब आप इंटरव्यू करते हैं तो बिल्कुल आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी है, जैसा आपको मुझे देखकर लगता है कि बहुत सीरियस, या आपको ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता किसी से सवाल पूछने में दिलचस्पी होगी, लेकिन जब आप उस चेयर पर होते हैं और आप जब सवाल पूछते हैं तो हमें हमारी पोजीशन पे डाउट होने लगता है। इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिव्या, I don't call duologue as interview. This is more of a discussion. So normally what I do, I have lots of thoughts, I have lots of ideas, I have my own one-liner theories. So I get an opportunity to bounce it off with these legends. And I try and remain in their area of work. So they are legends in their area of work. So it's basically life, management, and their area of expertise. Like it could be sports. I spoke to Jeev Milka Singh, Oliver Kahn in sports, Mithali Raj, or it could be a film where I spoke to Allu Arjun and then Kiran Rao, yeah. Or it could be an ex-head of a state like David Cameron. But it's not a political discussion normally which I engage in.
That is correct, because the duologue is nothing like interview. It's a deep conversation with big sports personality, and especially, sir, I want to point it out, when it comes to women empowerment, I think you are representing it in a very vital way possible. I saw your interview with Kiran Rao, with Sudha Murthy ji, and so many. The kind of questions and conversation you had, I really wish that all the men in the nation should be like that and should think like that. What will be your message?
Look, my message, I don't give away message to people. I just live the way I wish to live, and I think is correct. And you're right. I had always been very vocal about women-led development, and I said that in all the forums. And when I spoke to these ladies, I realized that it is so very important for all of us to be conscious about that. And I've seen a lot of professional women who are super achievers. They midway turn their focus back into their family or for their children, and they miss out on something which they could have achieved in their professional arena. And I also believe that you are what you do. So that sensitivity, that consciousness needs to be there, that the women have actually 3 jobs to handle a professional woman. They are her office, her home, and her kid. So that sensitivity is important in the society. And therefore I started this duologue next, which is, while in duologue I speak to legends, in duologue next I speak to super achiever women who are ready for the next big leap. They eventually possibly would turn out to be legends. So I'm speaking to them at that inflection point.
So my 5 quick questions will be there to you. As we were discussing about duologue, which guest you enjoyed the most?
One guest, I think Oliver Kahn.
Lovely. What is feminism for you in one word?
Feminism for me is equity.
That sound like the MD of the network, guys. I'm thrilled. Who's your favorite actor all time, like actor, actresses?
Actor, actresses. Well, my favorite actress all time, very difficult to say. It'll be a toss-up between Sharon Stone, Rekha, and Wahida Rahman. Okay. And actor, obviously Amitabh Bachchan. And I'm a great fan of Al Pacino. I'm a great fan of Robert De Niro too.
Favorite destination?
Home.
Other than
Other than home, there's nothing. For my ideal vacation is go and stay put somewhere and don't roam around too much. Just relax and rejuvenate.
Last question, if not MD of TV9 Network, what would Mr. Barun Das be?
Maybe a teacher.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.